Hey everybody, we're back here in front of the 2012 Cadillac SRX with the 3.6 VVT direct injection. So it has been a little over a year, actually about a year and a half, since the last video where we replaced the PCV, which was back there. And thought I'd give a progress report. Since that time, it was right about the time I also discovered Valvoline Restore and Protect, and saw some great results on that. Have continued to follow that, seeing great results, listening to some knowledgeable engineers, motor oil geeks, some Valvoline engineer videos, and just other YouTubers posting results. Look pretty impressive. So been running that ever since. So this car has probably had about 15,000 miles since the last update, and I would say 4 oil changes with Restore and Protect. So good news is, since replacing the PCV, have not had a recurrence of the chocolate milk sludge buildup that is gone and has not come back. However, Valvoline Restore and Protect, I'm going to say the jury's still out. I'm not doing boroscope inspections or anything like that, but since replacing the PCV, I will say, this cap was getting pretty difficult to remove, I think, due to the pressure buildup in the engine. That's all gone. It's became very easy to remove. Again, the chocolate milk sludge is gone and not reappeared, but still getting pretty decent amount of oil consumption. I do think it's a little better, but still a ton of buildup in there on the varnish on the inside of the cap. Boy, a lot of people running Restore and Protect, seemingly after just 2 or 3 oil changes. The dipstick is, so clean you could eat off of it, and that's just not the case here. Still quite a bit of varnish on my dipstick. Haven't seen any of that magical cleansing benefit yet. I will say I think oil consumption's better. At its worst, I think I was adding three quarts of makeup oil. And with this last oil change just performed, it was only about 1.5 quarts. So that is progress. It's taken a while to get there. So maybe something's happening. Jury's still out. I'll, in another 6 months, if there's something magical, I'll post an update. But I wonder if this one maybe just had waited a little bit too long before I discovered this PCV clogging problem, and maybe some damage was just too severe, and Restore and Protect just can't work its magic powers. But we'll see. Engine's still running great. My wife loves driving an old car, so I'm not complaining. Just set multiple reminders on my phone, reminders on my computer to check the oil here once a month, so I don't have an issue with running low, and that's doing the trick for now. But we'll see what happens in 6 months. I don't have high hopes for Restore and Protect based on what I've seen so far, but maybe it just needs more time. Again, it's only been about 15,000 miles. 4 oil changes, and my wife only does short trips, so that that could be an issue as well. I mean, this is 90% city miles with kind of 20 minutes each way to work. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.